welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I achieve this style. I'm going to be starting off on clean, damp hair. Now I'm going to use a rat tail comb just to part out a section for the flat twist. Now I'm going to spray my hair with some warm water, then detangle it. Then I'm going to apply some leave-in conditioner in my hair just so it won't be dry when I go to twist it. Okay, so now I'm just going to part out a small section on the bottom so I can start my first flat twist. I'm going to be using a little bit of the Eco-Styler coconut oil gel just to make my twist neater. Then I'm going to flat twist that section. So here I'm just using a rubber band just to secure the flat twist to make sure it doesn't unravel. Then I'm going to repeat this process on the rest of the sections. The Eco-Styler gel just to smooth down my edges. So for this part, I'm just making a section for the twists that are going to be in the front, and I'm just guessing how much hair I'll need. Then I'm going to take this section and make even smaller sections and twist it. So basically for the twist, I'm just going to spray it with some water, then add some leave-in, and then detangle it, then add my twisting wax and twist the section up. And just repeat that process for the entire section. Twisting your hair, just be careful not to grab hair from the other section, because if you do that, when you take them out, your hair will look really frizzy. Now I'm just spraying it with some water and then pulling it a little just to stretch it. I'm going to be using the Eco-Styler gel again just so I can smooth my hair down so I can brush it up. Now I'm going to be using this black shoestring to put my hair in a puff, making sure to put those twists behind it so I don't have to use a bobby pin to pull those up. I'm just going to pick it for some extra volume and let those twists air dry, or you can blow dry it like I did. So the twists are dry now, so now I'm just going to go ahead and unravel them. bobby pin just to pin my hair back so it won't fall on my face so much. I'll be taking some gold lock jewelry and adding them to my flat twist to complete the look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.